Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to split your screen and snap windows on your Windows computer. So if you're unfamiliar with it, as well as if you're having an issue actually doing it, or you're unable to, there is a settings you might have to modify. In order to do that, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, so makikita mo dito yung system. So dito lang sa right side, I'll scroll down at select lang natin dito yung multitasking. And dito sa multitasking, so makikita mo dito yung snap windows. Okay, so dito ay kailangan lang natin i-turn on or enable natin. So dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So turn on lang natin yan. So once na turn on na natin tong snap windows, so dito ay kailangan mo lang i-tap. So tap lang natin yan. At makikita mo na kaagad dito yung kanyang snap windows settings. So dito naman ay option mo or choices mo yan kung anong gusto mo. So pwede mo itong i-check or uncheck mo siya. So pwede yan mga kaibigan. Ganito siya. So, kung anong gusto mo dito na snap layout, so select mo lang yan. Okay? So, meron dito show snap layouts when I hover over Windows maximize button. And then, when I drag a window to the top of the screen, snap windows when I hover over taskbar in task view and press Alt plus Tab. And let me snap it without dragging all the way to the screen edge. Okay? So, kapag sinilik mo yung Windows Maximize button, so kapag click mo ganyan, makikita mo kaagad dito or mag-pop up itong kanyang snap layout. So, silik ka lang dito kung anong gusto mo snap layout. And then, kapag dinag natin to, so drag lang natin pataas. Ayan. So, makikita mo din yung kanyang options ng snap layout. And then, kapag dinag natin yan to the right side, and then makikita mo din kaagad, and then dito sa left side, and then, ganito siya. Right? Makikita mo. Okay? So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. And ganun lang po siya kadaling gawin. So, nandito naman yung kanyang settings. Alright? So, ganun lang po on how to split screen in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.